another Epic Flows production.
Yo, Mr. Officer.
What you want, boy?
Place boring, man. You can't put on the radio or something, brother. Yo, me not even do nothing, you know. Oh no, let me out.
Just go on easy, man. I want station to work on the radio, you know.
Let me tell you so. Right now, anything better than over listening a conversation with cricket and croco lizard. You understand? Cause that alone me a hear you so.
I style him, I style we. Lizard, put on your shoes and make we left from yourself.
Put on the radio now, brother.
Alright, you said that. Welcome to Mellow FM. This is Barry G, the Boogie Master, and you're tuned into Brainstorm.
Turn it off, officer. Just turn it off. Turn it off. Nobody want to hear no radio, officer. Just turn it off. Jesus Christ.
Now you know this is Johnny live on the radio. We have time to take one next caller. Yes, man. Hello, caller. Caller, hello.
Yes, Johnny. Bless up now the night, yeah.
Bless up,
I want to say it's a wallet I find on the 22A bus I got Spanish Town, you know.
How wallet?
Yes, Johnny. A wallet. Leather too. It have about 20,000 in it. And a ATM card. A ATM card with the pin number right on the back. And a gold chain in it too, Johnny.
Really? A wallet? Somebody's going to be very glad you found it then. So you don't see any type of identification as to ID who it belongs to.
Yes, Johnny. So now that's the reason why I call the show.
You know, it's very fulfilling to see that there are still some good Samaritans out there. This guy calling up to return the wallet with so much valuables in it. Some persons wouldn't be so kind.
No, Johnny. The reason I call you, I will send a shout out to Robert Smith. I want to play a song by R. Kelly. You save me. I want to hear the milk and have no money.
Carla, what are you really saying to me?
It's epic out here.
Epic Flows production.
Radical epic. Zin, Leash, Big Bad Boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.